3 o'clock in the afternoon. This window is empty, and let's go check on the succulents. Hey. Yep, it's raining and I hate it. The plants hate it too, it's so wet. I'm gonna need to move the succulents in here, the shaded area. There's so many things that I need to do. But it's raining, so this area has a little bit of a shade, so they don't get rained on, but they get a lot of fungus because they're still exposed to moisture, the fog. And they're dying. They're dying. Oh no. They're still pretty, but they're suffering so much. This one is getting splashed on by water, so she doesn't like it because there's water here. Ugh. Oh, this is a new portulaca. This wasn't my plant, it just grew. So I don't know where it came from, but maybe from one of the plant holes there was like a seed that grew. But that's cute, I like it. Yellow and then yellow orange. So I used to have only the yellow portulaca. Same with this one. This is a mix of yellow and orange. It flowered the other day. And my Haworthia is flowering. Alright, this one, oh, it grew. This was a broken plant, and then there was just like no leaf left, but then it grew babies, and this is how it looks now. It's pretty, I love it. It's thriving, but I hope it doesn't die. Okay, there you go. So these are the Haworthias. They're kind of a little bit wet. They're in the shade. These guys are in the shade, but they're getting wet by water. Pearl von Nürnberg, I guess this one. It's so ugly. Ghost plant. Ghost plant is kind of thriving, but if it sits in water for too long, they're gonna die already. Because there's a typhoon right now in the Philippines, and that's why it's raining a lot. This one, these are new plants that has been potted, and then this was one of the plants that I potted around September, October, that was last year. And this one is loving the water, but it's all green, but it's great, it's fine. Yeah, soaking in water, soaking wet in water. This euphorbia, I don't know what euphorbia that is, but I like it. Haworthia, my Haworthias, my sedum burros tails, Vera Higgins choco moonstone. These are leaf propagations from burrito, sedum burrito, and they're doing okay because they're getting watered. And Letitia, I think. Oh, this is rotting. I love this one, but it's rotting now. And this has a lot of leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's even growing more. The corms over there are growing as well. And I just love this. This needs to be repotted soon, but not right now. Dead. This one is okay. I don't know what this plant is, but it's thriving. It's getting watered by the rain. It likes water, so it's starting to grow bigger leaves. This is okay. These are good. And the other plants over here. And the shelf is empty. And the dog decided to go out because I'm outside here. So she decided to brave the water, the rain. Yeah, I know this is a messy update now, but that's just what I'm gonna do instead. So I'm planning to make like a full update kind of video, but I'll just do it like this. So this is full of, I don't know, molds now, fungus, green algae because of the water. But these are leaf propagations, and they like water, but if there's too much water, they're gonna die, they're gonna rot. My new hole that I still haven't repotted are starting to rot as well, and the farina are starting to get lost. This green smile is no longer smiling. It's pouting. Ayan, basang-basa silang lahat. Anyway, this is a new hole that I need to pot soon. These are all infected by fungus now. They've gone all ugly now. And my Lola, my favorite Lola, this was one of the pots I potted back in October. And I just love it. I put it under the shade because it's suffering. But it's thriving. But I need to put them in a dry area. This cactus is starting to flower, but it's getting rained on. Okay, and these guys here are plumping up. Oh, this is so plump now. This flowered a few days ago. And more here. More plants that are crying. Oh no! My Madiba is already full of powdery mildew. And what is that? Fungus. My plants, my dear plants. My Lawi looks like she's doing okay, but actually she's got fungus now in her leaves. Over there, look at that over there. That's fungal, that's powdery mildew. And then this one too, so I need to put them, I need to bring them inside, these guys. The Lawi especially, because, and this one. Because I want the Lawi to survive. I don't want it to die. This one's liking the water. This one has got fungus. It's gone ugly. And my camera is sweating. There you go. More moisture. If I could just bring it closer, look at the leaves. It's full of water. Actually, it's full of droplets. They hate that. This one has got millibugs. Ghost plant goes to Psyche. I think this is a Psyche or a champagne. I don't know. Murasaki, Echeverria. Is this a cross between Super Bomb and something else? Purple Delight. Murasaki, I don't know. Lola, the other Lola is already gone. Now turned into dust. So these ones are okay. This spot is more plump than this one. But now, it's starting to plump up as well because it's getting moisture. There, so these plants need saving, like plant SOS. And then let's go on this other side with the balcony to see. Hey, ba't kasi andito ka sa labas? To see how the plants are doing. my cat right there. Chico. Right. Okay. Cotyledon tendons. These ones are starting to rot as well. Oh, they hate it. They hate the water. My sedum clavatum over there, my andromiscus is overwatered now, and they're getting weak because of the overwater. Candy, wag kang doon ka kasi. This one is Mrs. Coombs, I think. And this one, oh no, this is so pretty. The growth in the middle is pretty, but the leaves are uglier now. Burrito. So many plants that have died here. Weeds. A lot of plants have rotten in here already as well. My aeonium over there is gone. What is this? Super bomb? I hope this survives. And this too, I think that's a super bomb. I like the super bombs. That one over there is already gone. That's I forgot what it is. Dunce cap. Sun cup. Aeonium sun cup. It is gone. Oh, there's a slug. But my what is this? Compactum is doing okay, but it's getting so much water, so it's gonna drop its leaves soon, I guess. And then this one, Portulacaria afra variegata, is okay. This one is okay, but they need to stay out of too much water. There's a typhoon, and if it starts to rain sideways, they could start to suffer. Oh, this one is getting pretty. I don't know if you could still see. I don't know if my lens is already hazy or fogged up, but I hope you can still see. There you go. So these are the, what are these? Crassula ovata. And these are the plants that I've potted in the video. Some of them. Some plants are already in this big rectangular pot here, which is suffering a little bit. This one is starting to suffer. My beautiful Psyche, I need to remove that from this pot. This one too, and this one too. They need to be in their own individual pots. Look at the leaves, they've been chewed on by maybe snout weevil or some worms or whatever. But they're kinda, that's what happens when they get rained on a lot. And this one is thriving, is doing okay. But if it gets a lot of water, it's gonna die. Tinkle the ruby slippers. This has gone pretty now, look. But you know, they're all pretty right now, but they all need to be saved because they're starting to show. Actually, these are water stress, I guess. I don't know. This aloe is coloring up, maybe because of water stress. This one is also hanging in there, and then this one, so pretty, red. This one has showed colors already. I love this. Candy! Ay na, basang-basa ka na. This is rotting. Overwatered. Oh no. Same with this one. So, yep. The rain's getting stronger now, so I gotta go. Basa na rin si Candy. Okay. I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. And that's for that's an update of our succulents in this rainy typhoon. It's July something 2025. My camera is all blurry. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.